Namaste. Vidya. I, JV and Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So, in today's class, we will be taking the subject bioprocessing, and the topic is material balance without chemical reaction. So, in this session, we are going to discuss on material balance, okay, without using a chemical reaction. So in the last class, we have already discussed about the material balance. Okay. So here we will talk without a chemical reactions. So material balance is nothing more than the application of the law of conservation of mass. Okay. Material balance is also called mass balance. So we can call it as mass balance also. Okay. So the law of conservation of mass, as we have studied in the last class, mass is neither created nor destroyed. Okay. So in general expression, we can write it like input through a system and output through a system boundary plus generation within a system boundary minus consumption within a system boundary is equal to the accumulation. Okay. Input through the system boundary minus output through the system boundary. Okay. Plus generation of within a system boundary minus consumption within a system boundary. Okay. Is equal to the accumulation. So when we see its application, why it is so important? A system or any arbitrary part, if we take as a whole process, is called a system. Okay, we call it a whole process, we call it as a system. Okay, so system boundary, we say it is an imaginary limit or a boundary of any system. Okay, it is like outer boundary, we can call it as an imaginary limit or a boundary of a system. Okay, an open system in which material enters and or cross the system boundary, and open system is also called flow system, where the energy comes in and energy flows out. Okay. So here the energy in and energy out. Okay, mass in and mass out. Okay. So the closed system, we can say the system in which no material cross the system boundary. Okay. Accumulation, the difference between the input and the output is called the accumulation. Here the negative accumulation, a reduction of the material in the system, and is called negative accumulation. Study system, where a system in which all the conditions like temperature, pressure, amount of material retained remain constant. Okay. So an unsteady state of system, a system in which one or more of the condition or the temperature or the amount of material of the system vary with time. It is also known as transient system. Okay. So when we talk about the continuous system, it is the material enters and leaves the system without a break. Okay. Thank you. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you have understand, and if you have any doubt, please write on the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Namaste.